Valentine's pop-up album tutorial part 5. Now in this video we will make our last pop-up page, that is the V-folds. Let's do this. For this we are taking a strip of pattern paper like this. You can take any size and then just fold it in half. I've taken a random piece. Now in this style we need to fold it at an angle but in the opposite direction, that is less than 90 degrees. So just like that, I'm going to fold this like so. Since the pattern paper is quite thick, like it's quite a bit GSM, it's 240, so difficult a bit folded, I would recommend to use a bone folder to give it a good nice crisp edge. And then we will just cut off the edges like this and a little bit from this side. Now once we are done with this, we will fold the edges towards the back. So this is an arrow pointing downwards like this. Similarly, I'll take another small strip of pattern paper and then I am folding it in half. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So here I will go again. Remember that when you're folding the edge, make sure that you have at least 3/8 inch on the side to have that hinge to stick it on the base. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to cut this and this edge like so. Now if you like, you can round the corners like this. Let's do that on this edge as well. And then it's just about the placement of materials, what you have, what kind of design you are making. I'm just going to put the tape on the side. Make sure you're covering it from edge to edge. No edge or corner should be left. If you're using a glue, make sure to spread the glue on all the corners. Now to stick this piece, first I have removed the tape backing from one end. Okay, and then from the other end. Now when I stick this, you need to make sure that the angle that you want, like the more you want the V-fold to be broader, the angle you will change. So if I stick it more like this, then it will become more in a, see, like this. And if I see the direction, can you see, like this? If you stick it like this, then it will be different. If you stick like this, it will be different. So you just need to make sure how you are sticking it. You can practice this with the normal copy papers also. Like this, I'm sticking it right down here. Or if you're not sure, you can just do it like this. Making sure that this folded part is on this folded part. Now let's close this so that it takes its original place. Now I'm going to stick the other piece in the same fashion. Like this. Now when I stick this one, this is going to be parallel to the first one. I don't want different angles on both of them, so I'm just sticking it like this. There we go, we have the pop-up setup ready. Now let's close this so that everything just takes its normal place. There we go. And now let's stick the booklets. Now for the closure, I'm taking these small snippets like this, and then I have taken these circles, and then I'm going to place brad. So I'm just simply going to put a brad here. Like this. And just moving the legs of the bread outside like so. And I'm going to put glue only on the craft circle, and then I will stick it over here, making sure when I'm sticking it here, this circle gets stuck on this side here in the center, but this part is over here, so that when I slide this circle out, this is my closure, and then this gets stuck inside like this. Okay, similarly I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. This time I'm making the hole on this side here and making the legs of the bread come out, fold them back like this, put the glue on my circle piece here, craft circle, and then I will stick it in the center, making sure that it's at the back like this. And then when I move this out, this is a really good and easy way to do the closure as well as the embellishment. So we don't need to put anything else on these booklets. This is a embellishment come closure kind of thing. So that's it with this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun. After this we will just make the picture mats on the sides and let's decorate the cover.